Is that time from the Taylor Girls? This motherfucker, goddamn broke ass shit. What the fuck is this? A 2016? The fuck? Still, bitch, you got all that goddamn, bitch, you just closing out your ass, still riding the dirty ass goddamn Challenger. Just looking dumb. What the fuck you think you Marilyn motherfucking Monroe? You broke Monroe. That's what the fuck you is. But where you going? Bitch, got them fake ass red bottom shit scuffed up in the back. Where you going? Yo, you need to bury that shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? That ass looking good, but still broke as hell. Oh. What you done rented this car? It's a lease?
Yeah, and the keys. Yeah. Both keys. 2 keys when you purchase it.
Oh, you bought this? What the fuck is this? Yo.
You want to put the bags in the trunk?
You ain't gonna say nothing?
Yeah, I forgot how to put. Okay, yeah, I got 2 trunks. So let me.
Bro, stop flexing, bro. You ain't bought this car, bro. You ain't got me. Bro, how you go from a 2016 to a. What is this? Is this a 21, 2021?
Put the bags in the trunk.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my.
What the fuck the engine at? What the?
Yeah.
Bro, oh. Don't even know how to work it. How you know you don't own this motherfucker. Marilyn Monroe. Broke Monroe. Broke Monroe. Yo, yo, yo. Where you going? Oh, yeah. That's a second trunk. What you done stole in the car? You done stole something?
You can just press the button. There's no, not this motion.
Right.
Where you going? Ma'am.
To get more money, bitch. That was good. Middle of that. Hey, George. You don't even. Why are you even in this goddamn conversation? Your money ain't even big enough to be in this goddamn conversation. This shit is between me, Ben, and Brent. You not in this shit. Take your ass home. You ain't in this. That's what I'm saying. Hey, wait a motherfucking minute, because none of y'all got more money than me. Y'all niggas talking over me like y'all got more money than me. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all niggas later. Cause y'all doing a little bit too much. I mean, fucked up. Yeah. Alright. Now listen, I'm doing a giveaway. You can either win $1,000 or you can win an iPhone 11. All you gotta do is follow Tgziam giveaway, follow all the accounts that they're following, and comment ready when you done. It only take 30 seconds. Don't take all day, because I ain't choosing a lot of people. Let's get it. Get the red bottoms. Get some rich bitch.
Don't fall over while you're trying to walk the damn red box.
This is here. Lolita is here.
You see a 20? Get the 20 out.
You sit there.
Okay.
Because she's going to sign first. She's going to sign second. Lolita
Alright, just
is
sit
here.
it out. A girl's about to come to pick it up. I'll call you. Have your phone by you. I'll call you.
Oh, that's a real pretty signature. Girl, you get different when you buying, girl. Praise God. Yeah.
Congratulations.
This is our paperwork. We've been here for 4 hours. That lets you know that it's official, baby.
I'm fine.
Right and you see what it come in. This ain't no envelope.
Don't get mom and daddy.
This ain't no paper envelope.
Right.